Welcome to Beautyistic, where we get straight to the heart of beauty and grooming essentials. If you're a Panasonic ARC3 user and your shaver is starting to feel a little less efficient, the Panasonic Shaver Replacement Outer Foil WES9087PC might be exactly what you need. Today we're diving into whether this replacement foil can really bring your shaver back to life, or if it's just another part you'll end up replacing every year. The Panasonic Shaver Replacement Outer Foil is designed specifically for the ARC3 blade shavers. 3-blade shavers, including models like the ES-LL41-K and ES8103S. Its purpose is simple: to restore your shaver's cutting performance by replacing the worn-out foil. Over time, the outer foil can thin, causing the blades to dull, leading to an uncomfortable shave. Replacing it ensures that your shaver continues to deliver the smooth, close shave you're accustomed to. One of the standout features is the micro-thin foils, which work with the shaver's cutting elements to efficiently cut through hair. The foil is crafted from hypoallergenic stainless steel, which helps prevent skin irritation, even for sensitive skin. Whether you're using it on a daily shave or for a quick touch-up, it ensures the shaving experience remains as comfortable as possible. The build quality is undeniably impressive, as you'd expect from Panasonic. These foils are forged in Japan from premium stainless steel, which is not only durable, but designed to last. The fact that Panasonic tests and certifies every foil speaks volumes about the brand's commitment to quality craftsmanship. It's clear that they've designed this replacement foil with longevity and performance in mind. I found the replacement process to be incredibly straightforward. Simply remove the old foil, snap in the new one, and you're good to go. There's no complicated installation, and it fits the shaver models perfectly. It's a quick fix for a device that might otherwise be feeling sluggish. However, let's talk about the potential drawbacks. For one, it's not the most cost-effective replacement if you're someone who shaves regularly. You'll need to replace the outer foil roughly once a year, so it's an ongoing cost. Additionally, while the foil itself is high quality, it doesn't offer much in terms of added features. It's purely a functional replacement, with no major innovations or upgrades over the original foil. That said, considering the price and what you're getting, this foil does offer solid value. The performance is consistent, and it genuinely helps your shaver perform at its best, providing a close shave without irritation. If you're using the Panasonic ARC3 regularly and want to keep it in top condition, replacing the foil is a necessity. In comparison to other shaver foils, the Panasonic replacement holds its own. There are cheaper options available, but none offer the same quality and compatibility as the WES9087PC. While some off-brand replacements may get the job done, they often compromise on durability or comfort. The Panasonic foil, on the other hand, ensures that your shaving experience is as close to the original as possible. As for longevity, the outer foil is designed to last, but just like any razor or shaver part, it will eventually wear down. The good news is that the installation is simple, and replacing it is a matter of snapping the new foil into place, so it's not a huge hassle. Now, let's talk about value for money. At first glance, the cost might seem a little high, especially if you're replacing the foil yearly. However, if you're someone who relies on your Panasonic ARC3 shaver and values a smooth, irritation-free shave, it's a reasonable investment. The foil does what it's supposed to do without cutting corners, and it keeps your shaver performing at its peak. So, who would benefit from this product? If you're someone with sensitive skin, or if you shave daily, the Panasonic Shaver Replacement Outer Foil WES9087PC is a must-have. It offers a consistent, high-quality performance that ensures you can continue enjoying your shaver without interruptions. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And if this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.